In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix switching toggle missing in Outlook. 5 minutes. If the switching toggle in Outlook has disappeared, the most reliable fix is to update the Outlook desktop app using its built-in updater. This refreshes features that can go missing when your app is out of date. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get that toggle back. Start by opening the Outlook desktop application on your computer. Make sure you're in the full desktop app, not the web version in your browser. Once Outlook is open, look to the very top left corner of the window and click the File tab. This takes you away from your inbox and into the Backstage view where the app's settings live. On the left-hand sidebar, choose Office Account. This is the section that controls your product information and updates. It can be easy to overlook because it's near the bottom, but this is where we need to be to fix missing features. In the Office Account page, find the product information area. You'll see a drop-down labeled Update Options. Click that drop down. If it's available, it means you control updates on this device. From the list, select Update Now. Outlook will immediately check Microsoft's servers for the latest build and begin downloading anything you're missing. While the update runs, keep Outlook open and stay connected to the internet. You may see a progress bar, and in some cases you'll be prompted to save your work or close and reopen apps in the Office family. Let the updater complete. Don't force close Outlook during this process. Depending on your connection and how much needs to be installed, this can take a few minutes. When the update finishes, Outlook may restart automatically. If it doesn't, go ahead and close it fully and reopen it. After it loads, look toward the top right area of the app where the switching toggle typically appears. If the toggle was missing due to an outdated build, it should now be restored. If you don't see update options, or it's grayed out, your updates may be managed by your organization. In that case, the updater is controlled centrally, and you'll need an administrator to enable or push the newest build. Also, double check that you're in the classic Outlook desktop app. The web version and some store installed variants manage features differently, which can make the toggle appear or behave in another way. That's it. You opened Outlook, went to File, selected Office Account, chose Update Options, and clicked Update Now. Let the update complete, restart Outlook, and the switching toggle should reappear.